Nebraska patients and supporters of medical cannabis access pack into a Lincoln office building to make their voices heard this afternoon. Thanks for joining us. I'm Julie Cornell.
I'm Rob McCartney. It's a public feedback session on regulations recently passed by the Nebraska Medical Cannabis Commission. KATV News Watch 7 Capitol Bureau Chief John Grinvalds has the details.
Standing room only, and not one testifier spoke in favor of the Nebraska Medical Cannabis Commission's slate of regulations, which make the state's program one of the most restrictive in the country.
These regulations make it effectively not accessible in the state of Nebraska. These violate the spirit and the will of the people.
Longtime medical cannabis advocate Krista Eggers submitted mounds of signatures as testimony.
240,000 Nebraskans took the time to sign a ballot initiative because they support medical cannabis.
Others waving signs described a feeling of betrayal. 71% of Nebraskans voted for medical cannabis last November.
Why bother voting if our government is going to turn around and squash the clear will of the people?
Noticeably absent from today's public hearing, the three commissioners who head up the body that approved those regulations. But they'll still have to review all of that testimony as they consider revising the rules. At issue to many testifiers, restrictions on how much cannabis a patient has and what form that can take.
This should be a discussion and a decision made between me and my physician, not the commission.
The current rules prohibit smoking, vaping, and use of the flower, only allow in-state healthcare practitioners to recommend medical cannabis, and put tight reins on the supply chain, limiting the number of cultivators and the amount of plants they can have. Senator John Kavanaugh has formally challenged the regulations.
This commission has no authority to go against the law.
The commission would have to hold another hearing if it makes changes to the rules. Reporting in Lincoln, John Grinvalds, KATV News Watch 7.